Hello and welcome to Blog Post 18, the 3 F's to reset your dysregulated home. Food, fresh air, and fun parenting hack. Sometimes the mood in the house feels off. Everyone's cranky, the meltdowns are piling up. You are either yelling or zoning out, and the kids aren't doing much better. When dysregulation creeps into your home, it's easy to start spiraling into more rules, more punishment, more frustration. But before you try to out-discipline the chaos, try the reset button. Food, fresh air, and fun. It sounds simple, maybe even too simple, but these 3 F's are grounded in neuroscience, connection, and developmental needs. When used intentionally, they can help restore balance in even the most chaotic of homes. 1. Food, fueling regulation. Let's start with the basics. A hungry brain is a dysregulated brain. Low blood sugar, dehydration, and nutrient imbalances all impact mood, impulse control, and emotional resilience. Ever seen a toddler tantrum at 4 p.m.? Yeah, that's usually a snack issue. But food is more than just fuel. It's connection. Sharing a snack, cooking together, or even offering a warm drink can regulate the nervous system. Why? Because food is linked to attachment. From infancy on, feeding is one of the first forms of safety and love. When done with intention, food becomes comfort, routine, and a bridge to reconnection. Try this. Offer fruit and protein instead of sugary snacks. Cook a simple meal together. Create a reset snack tradition when tension starts building. Number 2, fresh air, regulating through movement and nature. Movement is a biological regulator. It calms the body and resets the mind. Add in sunlight and nature, and you've got the magic formula for a full sensory reset. Even a 10-minute walk can bring everyone down a few notches emotionally. Physical activity releases endorphins and helps recharge pent-up energy. For kids who often don't have the words to express their emotions, movement becomes a powerful outlet. Try this. Take a walk around the block. Visit a park with your kids. Yes, even if you don't feel like it. Let them climb, dig, or jump. Unstructured movement is key. I even put on freeze dance or any of those dance things on YouTube for my children whenever they feel like they need to move and we can't get outside or it's like a rainy day. There's like floor is lava, freeze dance. There's a bunch that grab their attention and get their bodies moving and they stop fighting. Number 3, fun, the fast track to connection. Play is not a luxury. It's a neurodevelopmental necessity. Play builds trust, reduces cortisol, which is the stress hormone, and increases dopamine, which is the feel-good chemical. When things get tense, we often stop playing, stop smiling, stop connecting. But that's exactly when we need fun the most. Engaging in fun, especially when it's child-led, sends a critical message. You're still loved, and I still enjoy being around you, even when things are hard. That's connection. And connection regulates. Try this. 10 minutes of child-led play, even if you're tired, set a timer. A silly dance party to break tension. Again, freeze dance is always an option on YouTube or floor is lava. It's fun, it's easy. Share inside jokes, play a board game, or do a simple craft. The neuroscience behind the reset. Bonding and co-regulation aren't abstract ideas. They're hardwired into our brains. When we engage in safe, shared experiences, our brains release oxytocin, the bonding hormone. This hormone lowers stress, increases trust, and builds the foundation for future emotional resilience. Especially for children aged 0 to 7, when much of their brain wiring is happening, repeated moments of co-regulation, like cooking together, taking a nature walk, or laughing during play, literally shape their capacity to handle stress, regulate emotions, and connect with others later in life. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be present and reset when needed. It's also really important for your children to see you work through your big emotions in a healthy way using your strategies that you teach. It's really powerful. And you can even say, I'm feeling in the red zone. I have zones of regulation video on my YouTube. So you can talk through those emotions and say, I'm going to take a break. I think that's a strategy I need. So just working through those helps your child build trust that they can use those strategies safely as well. Final thoughts. Hit reset before you react. So the next time your household is falling apart and you're tempted to escalate, pause. Try the 3 F's first. Food, fresh air, fun. And watch the temperature in your home start to cool down. one bite, one breath of fresh air, and one belly laugh at a time. More resources on the 16 personalities, child development, classroom management, and even structured literacy at mindchild.net. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next post.